Tornado warning. Dinged.
The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for central St. Charles County, central St. Louis County, until 3 a.m. At 2:26 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a
There it is, right there.
tornado is located over Cotlerville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations and
Killed your life delay.
St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for central St. Charles. Wildwood, University City, Baldwin. At 2:26 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Cotlerville, moving east at 45 miles. Expected hazards include the following state parks. First, Missouri State Capitol Historic Site. This includes Interstate 70 in Missouri between exits 217 and 231. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.